Welcome to Isin TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Isin TV. For those of you that have been with us, existing subscriber, thanks once again. And for those of you that are just joining us, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more updates. There was a meeting held at Ile-Ife, whereby the Oni of Ife called all the Obas in Yoruba land and some notable VIPs in Southwest. The occasion was graced by many VIPs in Southwest concerning the issue of security in Southwest, that's in Yoruba land. Notable people present in the event was all the Obas and the Oni of Ife, Gani Adams. Sunday Igboho was also in a live video present in the meeting. The main reason for this meeting is about the security in the Southwest. Oni of Ife explained the reason why everybody need to come together now for the issue of security in the Southwest. He explained how they have been kidnapping the kings and killing the innocent citizens in the Southwest. He also explained that the farmers are not allowed to go to their farm for farming activities, thereby creating more tension and problem for the citizens in the Southwest. They now urge all the Obas to cooperate. In the fora, Gani Adam also speak, which is Are Ona Kakanfo, that everybody now need to cooperate and join hands together because security is a business of everybody. In the video section, we could see Sunday Igboho, who is currently in Germany, also spoke concerning the needful and urgent attention of everybody in the Southwest to make sure that the issue of security is paramount in the Southwest. As we can see, this is what we have been agitating for some time now, that everybody needs to come together, all the Yorubas. This is not the time to be said, I am more than you, I am superior, I have this more than you, I have that more than you. What we are saying is everybody needs to come together on the issue of security because it's a business of everybody on the issue of security. Now that everybody is on deck now, what is the next thing and the way forward? For those of you that are watching us, please drop your comment in the comment section and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.